Hey there, it's Sarah. Today, we're going to uncover the surprising turn-ons that younger women find attractive in older men. By the end of this video, you'll have a keen eye for these less obvious but powerful signals, giving you a clearer understanding of what really catches their attention. Ready to become more attuned to these surprising turn-ons? Stay tuned for our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a piece of advice for enhancing your appeal and approach. Stay tuned for it. Before we go on, if you're curious about improving your dating skills, why not book a free 60-minute strategy call? Just click the link below. Let's dig in and discover them together. 1. Confidence and self-assurance. Younger women are often drawn to older men who exude confidence. This confidence usually comes from life experience and maturity, allowing older men to handle various situations with ease and composure. Confidence can be particularly appealing because it signals a sense of security and reliability, qualities that many younger women find attractive in a potential partner. Confidence often stems from the numerous experiences and challenges older men have faced and overcome throughout their lives. These experiences provide a solid foundation for self-assurance, as older men are typically more comfortable in their skin and less likely to be swayed by external opinions or pressures. This maturity can create a calming and reassuring presence, making younger women feel more at ease and valued. In social situations, confidence can be subtly displayed through various behaviors. Maintaining steady eye contact, standing tall with a relaxed posture, and speaking clearly and assertively all demonstrate confidence. Additionally, making decisions without hesitation and showing genuine interest in conversations reflect self-assurance. These small yet powerful behaviors signal to younger women that the man is capable and self-assured, enhancing his attractiveness and making him stand out in a crowd. 2. Emotional stability. Emotional stability is an alluring trait that younger women often find captivating in older men. The appeal of emotional maturity lies in the ability to navigate life's ups and downs with a calm and composed demeanor. This maturity is not just about staying calm in crises, but also about responding to everyday challenges with grace and poise, something that younger women appreciate and admire. Due to their experience navigating the emotional terrain of life, older men are frequently better at handling stress and emotions. Their experiences in life have given them resilience and coping skills that younger guys may not yet possess. It's immensely comforting to find that older guys tackle issues like managing a job setback, dealing with personal loss, or simply understanding the complexities of relationships with a steady and balanced viewpoint. For younger women, this emotional stability fosters an intense feeling of security. A strong sense of trust and dependability is created when one knows that their spouse can maintain composure and support in the midst of difficulty. It takes more than simply being a rock in difficult situations to make younger women feel secure and important in a relationship. It also takes offering a steady emotional anchor. This consistency becomes a defining feature of attraction, emphasizing the timeless allure of older males. 3. Communication skills. Mature and effective communication is a strong quality that makes a man much more appealing to younger women. Older guys stand out for their abilities to listen intently, communicate properly, and participate in meaningful discussions. This type of communication strengthens emotional bonds, decreases miscommunication, and promotes understanding, all of which improve the fulfillment and harmony of partnerships. Because they have honed these skills over time, men are often stronger communicators in their senior years. Typically, they pay close attention to what their lover says and feels, and they listen better. Younger women feel heard and valued when they receive this respect and genuine attention. Also, free and honest communication is facilitated by the fact that older males are generally better at expressing their opinions and feelings. This type of communicative maturity encourages healthy problem-solving and improves the bond between partners. For instance, telling stories and sharing life experiences not only makes people laugh, but it also reveals one's morals and personality. Offering sage advice or simply being a listening ear when times are tough are two ways to show empathy and support. Small actions like sincerely asking someone how their day went and listening to them can make a significant difference. 4. Sense of humor. A well-developed sense of humor is a magnetic trait that many younger women find irresistibly attractive in older men. Humor has a unique way of bridging gaps and creating an immediate connection, transcending age and background. Older men's humor often stands out because it tends to be more refined and sophisticated, a product of years of life experiences and understanding. Unlike younger men who might rely on crude or slapstick humor, older men often use wit, intelligence, and a keen perception of the world around them to craft their jokes. This type of humor can be charming and endearing, making interactions not just enjoyable, but memorable. For example, an older man might share a cleverly worded anecdote from his life, full of insights and subtle humor, or he might find amusing elements in everyday situations that others overlook. His jokes are likely to be more thoughtful and less likely to offend, appealing to a broader audience. These subtle and intelligent jokes can lighten the mood, ease tensions, and bring a sense of joy and playfulness to a relationship. By making a younger woman laugh, an older man not only entertains but also builds a stronger emotional connection, showing that he can be both fun and caring. This ability to laugh together and share moments of joy can be a powerful bond, enriching the relationship with positivity and shared happiness. If you're enjoying the content and looking to transform your dating life, don't just watch, act. Our free strategy call offers personalized tips on meeting more women and dating with confidence. Find out more by clicking the link in the pinned comment. 5. Ambition and purpose. Another quality that greatly increases a man's attractiveness is having a clear sense of direction in life and ambitions. Younger women tend to look up to older males who are well-established and goal-oriented. This passion and resolve show a man's devotion to accomplishing a worthwhile goal, as well as his drive and persistence, showing a strength of character and endurance. Older men are typically seen as more reliable and stable because they have a clear vision of where they want to go and what they want to accomplish. For instance, an older man might be advancing in his career, pursuing personal projects, or actively contributing to his community. This purposeful approach to life is reassuring, signaling that he is dependable and dedicated, both to his goals and to the people he cares about. Ambition and purpose are not just about personal success, but also about creating a secure and supportive environment for a partner. This sense of direction and reliability can be incredibly appealing, as it suggests that the man is well equipped to handle the future's uncertainties. Younger women find this trait attractive because it promises stability and a shared vision for the future, enhancing the overall sense of trust and partnership in the relationship. The presence of a clear, purposeful path not only reassures them of their partner's capabilities, but also inspires confidence in their shared journey together. 6. Physical fitness and health. Maintaining good health and fitness is a cornerstone of attractiveness, regardless of age. For older men, staying physically fit is not just about looking good, but also about demonstrating vitality and energy. Younger women appreciate older men who take care of their physical well-being because it shows that they are proactive about their health and longevity. This commitment to fitness indicates that they value themselves and their quality of life, which is inherently attractive. Being physically fit can mean different things for different people, but it generally involves a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient rest. Older men can stay fit and healthy by incorporating various forms of physical activity into their daily routine, such as brisk walking, swimming, or strength training. These activities not only help in maintaining a healthy weight and muscle tone, but also boost mood and mental clarity. Additionally, paying attention to nutrition by eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can significantly impact overall health. Regular checkups and listening to one's body are crucial for preventing and managing health issues. Fitness and health are also about lifestyle choices that reflect a positive attitude towards life. Participating in sports, taking yoga classes, or even engaging in outdoor hobbies like hiking or cycling can show a zest for life that younger women find appealing. This dedication to health and fitness not only enhances physical appearance, but also projects an image of someone who is active, engaged, and ready to enjoy life to the fullest. Today's bonus tip is all about the importance of paying attention to the small things in life. Men who pay attention to detail are noticed and greatly valued by younger women because it shows an additional level of consideration and care than meets the eye. This attention to detail can show itself in a number of ways, such as noticing changes in mood or look, or recalling significant occasions like birthdays and anniversaries. Small acts of kindness, such as leaving a thoughtful note, planning a surprise outing, or simply remembering her favorite coffee order, can make a significant impact. These gestures demonstrate that you are attentive and considerate, qualities that are incredibly valued in any relationship. It's about showing that you are present and engaged, that you value her enough to remember the things that matter to her. So now you know what younger women first notice about men. What's next for you? Discover sexy older man traits younger women fall in love with, or learn what to do when a younger woman looks at you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.